Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to type copyright symbol on laptop, and this is the keyboard of the laptop. So in the first method you need to open the bracket and now type C and close the bracket and hit enter. It automatically converts to the copyright symbol. In the second method you need to hold down this Alt key and type 0169 and release this Alt key. This will immediately insert the copyright symbol on the laptop. If your laptop does not have a numeric keypad for the Alt code, for this you need to type the HX code 00A9 and then immediately press, this is the Alt and this is the X. You need to press both keys all together. The code will automatically transform into copyright symbol. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can type copyright symbol on laptop. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.